Creating a monthly budget template. Welcome back to the Budgeting Tips series. In Lesson 5, we'll tie everything together by creating a monthly budget template. Think of it as your financial blueprint, helping you manage your money with clarity and confidence. Let's get started. Why a budget template matters. A budget template isn't just a tool, it's a game plan for your finances. It helps you organize your income, track expenses, and ensure your money is working toward your goals. Setting up your budget template. To set up your budget, choose a format that works for you. A notebook, a spreadsheet, or even a budgeting app. Start by listing your total monthly income at the top. Include all sources, like your salary or side hustle earnings. Fixed expenses. Next, list your fixed expenses. These are the regular, predictable costs you pay every month. Add them up to get your total fixed costs. This gives you a clear view of your essential monthly commitments. Variable expenses. Variable expenses fluctuate month to month, like groceries and transportation. Estimate an average amount for each based on your past spending to anticipate these costs effectively. Discretionary expenses. Now for the fun part, discretionary expenses. These are your non-essential costs, like dining out or hobbies. Allocate reasonable amounts based on what brings you the most joy, while keeping your financial goals in mind. Calculating disposable income. Once your expenses are listed, subtract them from your income. The amount left is your disposable income, which you can use for savings, debt repayment, or investments. Additional sections. Make your template even more effective by adding sections for savings and debt repayment. Treat your savings like any other fixed expense and prioritize high-interest debt to save money over time. Reviewing and adjusting. At the end of each month, review your budget. Compare your spending to your plan, identify discrepancies, and adjust for the next month. This habit keeps you on track and helps you make smarter financial decisions. Here's your action plan. 1. Choose a format for your budget template. 2. List your total monthly income. 3. Add your fixed expenses and their amounts. 4. Estimate and list variable expenses. 5. Allocate reasonable amounts for discretionary expenses. 6. Subtract expenses from income to find your disposable income. 7. Dedicate a portion of disposable income to savings and debt repayment. 8. Review and adjust your budget at the end of each month. Creating a monthly budget template gives you control over your finances and sets you on the path to achieving your goals. Don't miss tomorrow's lesson, where we'll explore how to track your daily expenses effectively. See you then. Ready to master your budget? Visit our website below and also subscribe to our channel for more tips and tools.